this song many years ago, actually mga 21 siguro, 2021 or 2022. And then we released this in 2023. The song is about this experience I had many years ago din na meron akong crush at the time, and then ayun, nag-usap kami everyday hanggang sa nag-subside yung situation namin na wala siya. It just faded into parang nothing. So para siyang ghosting experience kung saka. So parang ganun yung naging kinalabasan ng situation na yun. And so I thought of writing it as a song para lang ibuhos lahat ng emotions, lahat ng feelings that I had at the time. So ayun, this was it. This was that. Ito yung pinakabuong experience. Buong compilation ng emotions, ng mga thoughts na tumatakbo sa isip ko at the time. Ayun po.
And one of the reasons na naging big hit yan, diba, because of being part of the Munchanan Section E soundtrack, right? So how does it feel?
Super saya. Like I said kanina, sobrang laking blessing for me na na-consider yung song to even be on the list ng mga songs na i-include sa series. And so, ayun, masaya, sobrang saya po ng feeling kasi natutuwa din po ako na siguro the story of the song parang relates to some of the characters in the series. Kaya, ayun, masaya po.
Dami na nag-aabang sa music video, di ba? Ashbin, di ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
You're